To fix a non-working Discord webcam camera, start by opening Discord and navigating to the user settings, located at the bottom left of the screen, by clicking on the gear icon. From there, scroll down the left menu to the Voice and Video option and select it. At the bottom of this section, ensure that the correct camera is selected. This may be an integrated camera or an external one, depending on your device. If an incorrect camera, such as a virtual one, is selected, this could be causing the issue. After verifying the camera selection, scroll down further and click on Advanced. If hardware acceleration is turned off, turn it on, which will prompt Discord to restart automatically. Conversely, if it's already enabled, try turning it off to see if this resolves the issue. If neither of these steps works, the problem may not be with Discord itself. In this case, the issue can be addressed through the device manager. To access it, close Discord, type Device Manager in the search box, and open the corresponding result. In the Device Manager, locate the Cameras section, which may require expanding a category by clicking on an arrow. Once found, right-click on the integrated camera and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Driver tab and look for options to update or roll back the driver. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. If the update option is grayed out, try rolling back the driver to a previous version, which will require a computer restart. After restarting, test to see if the camera is working. If it is, you can then try updating the driver again to the latest version, likely resolving the issue.